Hello, first graders. It will be funny for now to hear that I am inside the bathroom, the toilet and bath in my house because I'm looking at your experiment and it says, how do solids affect light? And one of the things we need to do this experiment is a dark room. So I chose the darkest room I can find in the house, and that is our toilet and bath. So I'm here hiding out to do and guide you, not to do, but to guide you in doing your experiment. Okay? First things first, you write your name and the date today, April 27th, if it's a Monday, and get your objects ready. Okay, so here is my workbook. I'm using a flashlight from my phone. Here is my worksheet. I need a lamp or a flashlight in a dark room. I'm using this phone flashlight. Okay, you can see it just from my phone. If you have a better torch, you can use it because I have a lamp but I didn't charge it. So I'm using my phone. A dark room just like this one in my toilet. First choice of things, I am choosing Isla's ball. Okay, this is Isla's ball, and I'm choosing this for my first object. You can choose a book, a stuffed toy, or a pillow, any solid that you can think of. Next is colored plastic or glass toy that you have, like a tangram. If you remember my water bottle, these are the only things I can find in my house. This is my gray plastic water bottle. Do you remember it? Gray plastic water bottle, but not this part, because this is different. But this part is the plastic that's colored. Okay, this is plastic and it is colored. So this is gray colored plastic that I can use. And I also saw one of Isla's water bottle covers. And I can see that it is like bluish, blue and light. And it's plastic. Because we are looking for objects just like your tangrams. If you remember your tangrams from school, those colored plastics, those are the ones that you need. If you have cloth, light cloth, white cloth, you can also use those, or even just a thin tissue paper. Okay? And last, clear glass or clear bottle. And I'm using this glass. Okay, it's clear, you can see it. All right, so first things first, in making an experiment, never forget to write your observations because we have been practicing writing our observations too, right? Okay, for this time, I was the one who gave your experiment question. And I wanted us to find out, how do you think these solids can affect light? What will happen to light after we expose them to this solid? We'll never know. So draw and label your objects here and then write the descriptions, their shape, their texture, size, color, odor, and weight. Write them here. After you've done that, you now need to make a guess or a hypothesis, a smart guess that scientists need to do in order to learn and think and discover. So, what do you think will happen to light when you shine them through these solids? Don't forget to answer this first before doing your experiment. So in this part, you will write your objects here. You can draw them to 1, 2, 3, and then you will write your hypothesis here. 1, 2, 3. First object was the ball. What will happen to the light when you shine it through the ball? Okay, write your guess there. So how will you do it? Because I think it might be a little tricky to do this experiment. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how you can try it. Okay, so after you've written your hypothesis, it's now time to do one for your first object. My first object is my ball. So if this is my ball and this is my light, I need to shine my light into the ball, and you will look at what will happen to the light. Okay, if this is the ball, this is my light. What can you see behind the ball? What can you see that is being formed? And tell me if this is a very dark thing that you can now see, or if this is not so dark or not so light. What is the ball doing to the light? Think about it. Next, for your second object, let's try with my cover, eyeless cover. Let's see, okay, this one. No, my water bottle. If this is my water bottle, just this bottom part, okay, just this bottom part, not the top part, I will shine the light through it. And what can you see? What has happened to the light now that I'm shining it through this water bottle plastic? Okay, write your observations there. Next, your clear glass. Let me get my clear glass. Clear glass. What can you do, or what is happening to the light when you have your clear glass and your light and you're shining it through? What is that? What's happening? What can you see that is being formed too? From the light to the glass and there back against the wall. So, write your observations, write what you saw, write your thinking, and complete your second page. After this second page, you will now move to the last page by writing your conclusions. Write what you learned about matter in this experiment. What did you learn about solids after letting the light shine through them? How did the light behave? Is the light the same? Because when you have this light and you shine it just there on my wall, what can you do? Can you see it clearly? Is it the same light that you can see shining bright? Or did it change? Did it get darker? Why? And what do you call that thing that was formed? What did you learn about light after doing these experiments? And last, can you think of another test of how matter can affect something? What are the other experiment ideas do you have? Draw or write your plan here so that you can do your own experiments too. Okay? See you next time.